Welcome to Exam Sale. This script walks you through the syllabus for the Cisco exam, designing and implementing Cisco Unified Communications on Unified Computing Systems, DUCOX, so you know exactly what to study and why each domain matters. This exam is organized into 5 domains with precise weights: Connected Grid Field Area Network at 40%, Connected Grid Architecture at 15%, Connected Grid Substation at 15%, Connected Grid Security at 15%, and Connected Grid Network Management at 15%. The test combines conceptual questions with scenario-based assessments and hands-on tasks, so you should focus both on theory and practical design. Overall, the syllabus emphasizes multi-tier grid communications, resilient mesh networks, hardened substation design, security controls, and large-scale orchestration and monitoring. The Connected Grid Field Area Network domain carries 40% of the exam weight and is rated hard with an estimated 35 hours of study and scenario-based assessment. You will learn how to design and implement multi-service field area networks for smart utility grids, including Cisco CGR1000 series router architectures and connected grid mesh fundamentals. Expect deep coverage of Cisco resilient mesh and WESUN design, 6LoWPAN and IEEE 802.15. 4G and 802.15, 4E standards, and how to build multi-tier communication models that scale. The domain also covers performance optimization for mesh nodes and practical considerations for large deployments, so you will practice RF planning, mesh convergence behavior, and strategies to maximize reliability under heavy device counts. Within resilient mesh networking, which is part of the field area network domain, you will study key protocols and wireless design techniques used in lossy environments. Learn the routing protocol for low power and lossy networks, RPL, as well as mesh frequency hopping and interference mitigation approaches that improve connectivity. You will gain skills in RF link budgeting and coverage planning, reliable multicast over lossy wireless links, and self-healing mechanisms that allow mesh networks to rapidly converge. The syllabus also highlights design considerations for dense metering deployments and how to tune mesh parameters for predictable performance. Connected Grid Architecture accounts for 15% of the exam, is labeled easy and requires about 10 hours of study with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. This domain focuses on the high-level framework and structural design of the Cisco Smart Grid solution, including the grid blocks architecture and the NIST Smart Grid Interoperability Framework. You will review utility-specific protocols such as TNP3 and IEC 61850, the roles of transmission and distribution systems, and how distributed energy resources are integrated into the grid. The domain links technical architecture to utility business drivers so you can justify design decisions in scenarios. Connected Grid Substation, at 15% weight and medium difficulty with 15 study hours. Covers networking design for substation automation and rugged hardware. Study Cisco CGS 2500 series switch architecture and environmental hardening standards like IEC 61850-3, and learn how Goose messaging is used for fast substation event exchange. The curriculum also covers redundancy protocols such as PRP and HSR, and precision timing using IEEE 1588 v2 PDP to ensure synchronized operations. You will be able to design highly available, time-sensitive substation networks that meet industrial reliability and regulatory requirements. Connected Grid Security is 15% of the exam, rated hard with about 20 hours of study and a mix of conceptual and scenario-based questions. This domain teaches how to secure grid infrastructure using hardware and cryptographic controls, beginning with secure boot NACT2 hardware protections and extending to link layer encryption such as AES 128 and AES 256. You will learn device identity and access techniques including IEEE 802.1x, 802.11i in mesh environments, and how to deploy public key infrastructure and role-based access control for utility assets. The syllabus also covers VPNs and ISEC for secure backhaul and practical strategies to protect large numbers of field devices. Connected Grid Network Management carries 15% weight, is medium difficulty, and is expected to take about 15 hours of study with hands-on and conceptual assessment. Topics center on orchestration, monitoring, and zero-touch deployment of smart grid endpoints using IoT Field Network Director and related tools. You will practice zero-touch deployment for CGR and CG Mesh, inventory and configuration management, firmware and large-scale over-the-air updates, and network performance monitoring with event correlation. The domain also covers local device management with Cisco IoT Device Manager and troubleshooting techniques for massive fan deployment so you can operate and maintain grid networks reliably.